Hello world, welcome to today's tutorial. In this today's tutorial, we're going to understand the sentiment in the text using one of the best feature of Amazon, that is Amazon Comprehend. The first thing first, to be very understandable, like what are the feature of Amazon Comprehend, or what is exactly Amazon Comprehend, right? Now for starters, now here we go. Amazon Comprehend is a machine learning to help you uncover the insights any unstructured data. Moreover, the relations, if I can tell you, the moreover to understand the relationships with the data. The service identifies the language of the text, extracts the key phrases, places, people, brands, and understands how positive or negative the text is. You know, this is actually using the tokenization of parts of speech and automatically organizes a collection of files by topic. The best feature that actually gets you to understand the sentiment of a text with just a few clicks. Yep, with just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can understand the relationship of your data or the text using the feature, or can understand the term as sentiment analysis of a text using the best feature of AWS Management Console, that is Amazon Comprehend. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So okay guys, since first thing first, the prerequisites is that you have to have an AWS account, right? So when you just log into your account, you are into the very first page of AWS Management Console. And the AWS Management Console, you can see, you can find your services here for shorts, like shortcuts if you want, or if you do wanted to have uh, find the services, that there are lots of services like compute, blockchain, security, identity, compliance, containers, management, governance, AWS cost management, storage, database, media services, migration and transfer, AR, VR, application integration, machine learning, network, customer engagement, and there are lots and lots and lots, and the list goes endless, right? So you can do this, you can find off yourself, but yep, just to have a look around or to search whatever you want in a short way, just click on the find services. Very useful thing, very useful. And just type comprehend, and you can see that actually makes you the short that with the use of the keyword, this system actually gets you what you wanted. So we need to click on the Amazon Comprehend button for here and just click on for a few seconds. The seconds can be, take time based upon two main things. Number one, that is your internet connection. Number two, that is your region that you opted for your data center, right? So after clicking that, we are again reverted to the Amazon Comprehend page, where you can understand how it works, features, benefits, lots of stuff, documentations ahead, API reference, FAQs, to make every possible, so that the user at the end is happy with all the things that have been, into the main custody of the front page. So to start with the analyzing of this text, what we need to do, we need to click on the Launch Amazon Comprehend button. Click on it, and when you click on it, it shows you page where you can see on the left side there is a real-time analysis jobs, customization, custom clarification, custom entity recognition, real-time analysis. Yep, that's all the things. You can have an overview of everything that you have done, and you can even build a custom one or built-in. So for this, let's just use some sentence. So okay, hi everyone, my name is Subham. Love to meet you all. right? So, actually you have just inputted some sort of text, and when you have just inputted the text, now we're going to analyze or understand the sentiment inside the text. Now when you have done everything for the input part, just click on the analyze button. And when you click on the analyze button, you're going to see that it actually entity username, category, and its confidence level. You must be thinking, okay, what's more inside? Exactly. When I click on the key phrases, you're going to see that it exactly shows you the key phrases into something with confidence level. When application integration, when you click, you can see that the request here, the response here can usually copy all the things in just a click, single click, right? Not only that, we are going to understand the language, English, that will see. Okay, I know, but how do the machine knows? Now the machine knows also. And finally, when you want to understand the sentiment, click on the sentiment button, and you can see that it's 0.97, that is 97% of the confidence. 2% or 0.02 here is confidence, negative 0 and mixed is 0. Now you can understand that it actually provides you some of the really cool inside things of the best possible way to actually relate to or get you an idea of how your sentence in accordance to the sentiment analysis through the Amazon Comprehensive Services there. To understand the syntax, you can click on this and you can understand the part of speech, the word, and the confidence level respectively. Like, hi everyone, this is all so long. You can understand the part of speech again, the confidence level with thing, and again you can understand the request and the response that shows. And again, I love to tell you that whenever you're doing tutorials on these things and learning new things, make sure that you always hands-on. Like, this is a hands-on, this is not a PPT, or this is not a presentation that I'm showing you. I'm showing you something hands-on, which if you put into work to understand, really you can be very confident to do work to understand on practical ground. So okay, it's okay, but let's just do another sentence for another try. So, hi all. So in this sentence, I have just simply inserted a simple sentence where you can see I'm suggesting something to someone and asking about how they are. It's just a normal sentence. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on the analyze button. Again, it's in position. Now we are going to see the entity. Now you can see that it's actually okay, and the key phrases, when you click on the key phrases, like there is a home and the key phrases simple, and the language again, for sure it's really insightful and super easy to understand the understanding of the language. Now we are going to understand the sentiment. So you can see the actual sentiment, actually the positive, the neutral, the negative, and a mixture here. And moreover, when you click on the application integration, now the request and the response, and all those things comes under into your if you're a developer, you can understand really a great thing for you to get into insights of how it's you know showing you the statistics. And when you click on the syntax, again, there is a word, there is a part of speech, there is a confidence level there, right? So yep. So in this tutorial, first thing, if you have completed this time, if you have completed till this thing, you have analyzed your sentence, congratulations. First of all, you have learned a practical way to analyze a real-time analysis of sentence, understand the sentiment of your the text using one of the great feature of Amazon AWS, that is comprehend, Amazon comprehend to be specific. And yes guys, I hope that you are loving this tutorial journey of AWS from the house of Tutorialslink, and I can't wait to meet you in the next video. Hope you are loving these tutorials. Till then, do take care. Bye bye. Have a great time ahead.